This is us on Wednesday, I believe. There's Rich chilling out with the girls because it's raining outside. Here's the laptop set up. The DSL is way in the back there. And let me take you out to our little rain here. There we are. And there's the water coming out. We got 7.1 inches yesterday, and it hasn't stopped yet. And here's our rain. The palm tree out front, Richard's palm tree. But yeah, there's a sewer right down at the end that just drains everything. And this is the rainstorm. And whoa, that's cold. And this is by far the coldest day. I mean, it's pretty cold out. It's I'm gonna say 80 degrees. And here's some rain blowing in here. You can see the palm trees blowing around. Richard had some fronds blow off his tree in the back. You can see the whoa, this rain's cold. And there's this golf cart. This morning we ran out all over the park and went swimming and stuff. And Richard plugged it in. That's the charger. But yeah, this is fall weather. Here, let me go see where you can actually see the rain. But it stops for about 30 minutes, then rains for a couple hours. And here's the rain. Here's the street. This is how loud it is under the awning when you go inside. Alright. Close this. And this is how loud the rain is inside. So, that's Walker, Texas Ranger. It's the Florida room. Richard chilling out with the puppies. And I'll see you guys Friday. Bye.